What's up YouTube, MustangMatt here again, bringing you a brand new video. Today we're going to be checking out the Mustang here, straight piped. I took off the exhaust a little while ago, but I'm finally going to record some video of it straight piped. I'm actually going to do a cold start here for you guys, and then I'm going to show the before and after of basically the stock exhaust versus straight piping it. I took it off at the headers, so from the headers back there's nothing there anymore, but anyways, I'll turn you guys around here, and actually I'm gonna play the clip of the stock exhaust right now, and then I'll turn you guys around here in the Mustang and give you a cold start, and then pull it into the garage so I can give a fair test on the before and after of the exhaust. So without further ado, here we go. Alright, here goes the cold start. Sorry, neighbors. Oh! Takes a little while for her to warm up. Alright, so I got some light so you guys can see a little bit better. But right down there is where they end. That's where the cat H-pipe used to connect. But not anymore. So you guys could probably tell by the video. I don't know how it is on video, but in real life it's like... So right there is where that one ends. But in real life, it's like 5,000 times louder, and you hear so much more crackle and pop. It just sounds way better. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I do have to say one thing. Let me turn you around one more time. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A little exhaust comparison, but hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments or anything about the series so far, just leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe and like it. And also, one more thing before I go this episode, check out the forum. I'll link it down below, but I'm posting everything on the auto-mafia.com. Go check it out. Also go check out his YouTube. He's doing a build 2 as well, and but go check out the forum, because I'm going to be posting a lot of behind the scenes and some different stuff like that you won't see on here, or you'll see early too, because the car's a lot farther along than it was it's a lot farther along than the YouTube videos are, but that's just because I like to have a little backup in case I don't get to film one week. So you guys are gonna have always a video, at least a video a week. I'm trying to do 2 or 3. But yeah, let me know if you guys have anything else that you want to see. But other than that, just stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Peace.